Johansson, and this is a short presentation of my work, which originates from the practice of software architecture refactoring, which is a process where you try to change the internal structure of components and connectors of a software system without changing the behavior. Typically, you might want to go from a messy, accidental architecture into a clean, intended, planned architecture. It is a very time-consuming process that is rather difficult to prioritize, as you don't really add any new functionality. However, in the next generation hauler project, we have done this using the Vasfura reference architecture. And that brings us to the problem as such. If you have an existing software system, such as a legacy system, and a described new architecture, like a reference architecture, how can you perform refactoring in an automatical or semi-automatical fashion? And to this end, we have tried to find mappings between source code and architectural modules. And so we formulated the problem as a text classification problem, or a machine learning text classification problem, where the descriptions of modules in text are used as the training data. And then we try to classify source code entities, like smaller code blocks, to different modules. And these classifications or mappings show where the code from the current software fits into the new architecture. And we have finished an exploratory study or exploratory phase, where we have used the open source software PX4 as a target software. And we have compared different ways of pre-processing and classifications, which include large language models. And we are primarily aiming to have high precision, so that the mappings or these classifications that the model makes need to be reliable. Thank you.